guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use shift lock on Roblox to Brainrot on mobile. And basically all you have to do is just there is no actual built-in shift lock feature, but there is something similar that you can do. So all you have to do is simply just click on the settings. Just make your way over to settings. From settings, you won't see the shift lock switch, but you will see camera mode, and you want to go ahead and just turn this over to classic. Now once you have that set to classic, that should follow the same as shift lock mode. So you want to go ahead and do that, and then that should be the equivalent. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you. You could also play around with the other ones as well. You could try to do following, camera toggle, default, etc. But I recommend doing classic. But anyways, once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.